What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a basic ABC drop fade. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Shout out to Cuz from Custom Barber Shop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Mendy, Miss Universe from out of Ghana. What's up? Alright, before I get started here, I'm going to be using one of the guards that some of you guys may not be familiar with. So I'm going to be including the Speedo guard Zero. This is very much Speedo Zero. The Zero is right about here. Before I get started, this is the guard that I put on top. It's very much equivalent, precisely the same size as the Wall 1.5. So I did a Speedo Zero, which is a Speedo 2, I call it, with the grain. So it's the same size as the Wall 1.5. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the camera, and then we're gonna get to it. Also, as you already know my style, a large portion of the haircut has already been recorded, has already been cut. So I only leave a small portion, the right portion, the right side, to share my all. Actually, this is an adjustable blade haircut tutorial. Wall 5-star Wall Senior. Stop playing, people. Let's go. This is not an adjustable blade haircut tutorial. It's actually a Wall Senior haircut tutorial. I'm excited. You excited. We all excited. Oh my God. The Barber Illuminati is getting ready to do it again. Barber Illuminati. If you hear somebody speaking Spanish in the background, don't mind me. I speak Spanish too now. Boom. All right. Let's get to it. Boom. All right. This is my last haircut of the day. I'm excited. I think I recorded about 4 videos today. By the way, I appreciate you guys for subscribing. Those of you who subscribe, if you're new to the channel, I'm suggesting, I'm recommending, I'm asking that you subscribe right now. About 68% of all the people that watch my videos do not subscribe. What's the problem? Stop playing, people. Barber Illuminati. Alright, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline. As you guys already begin to get familiar with my all adjustable fitting techniques. I think this is about my number 3 or 4 adjustable blade haircut tutorial that I have posted in the channel so far. So far, so good. Alright, this is my Wall Senior with the blade open. My first guideline, and my style is open, middle, close. So I have the blade set on the middle position right now. We have a customer here. Right when I turn on the camera, he decided to make a phone call. So if you hear somebody speaking Spanish in the background, don't mind me. This is close, open, middle, close. That's the first section. The Barber Illuminati here is to make the haircut very plain and simple. A lot of YouTubers, you know what, let me not even say that. I was going to say that a lot of YouTubers make a haircut so complex. I don't think it's that complicated. The Barber Illuminati is here to make haircutting, haircut tutorial very plain and simple that anybody who watches the videos regularly can learn this stuff. By the way, if you're local, if you're in the Lake County, Illinois area, you're looking for a good barber school to enroll, we are here for your haircut needs, for your barber career needs, actually. All right, I'm getting ready to use my Speedo guard that I showed you guys earlier. This is very much equivalent to the Wall 1.5. So rather than, but it's cleaner. When you use it, it's cleaner, it's precise. The gap, the teeth is not so wide. So it's, when you use it, I substitute that guard rather than using the Wall 1.5. I use my Speedo 2 rather than the Wall 1.5 because this guard is much cleaner. It cuts the hair cleaner, sharp, without all the little streaks that get left behind with the Wall 1.5. So here we go. This is my Speedo 2, I call it. Close. And also the same Speedo 2 I have with the grain. Alright, I'm going to move on to my one wall open, middle, close. Then I'm going to move on to the 1/16 guard to connect the two guidelines. Here we go. Cortez, tell the gentleman to turn it down a bit for me, please. Be polite about it. A little bit. Por favor. Okay, this is my one wall open. Middle. Close. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps. Get in there. Middle. Close. Okay, I'm going to move on to my 1/16 guard to connect the two guidelines. Here we go. I think I have a little too much light here. I'm going to turn it down a bit. Here we go. All right, 1/16 guard. I'm using the front of the blade to begin to connect the two guidelines. I still have the 1/16 guard all over closed. I'm working on connecting the two guidelines. I'm taking my time. All right, I opened it a little bit, about halfway. I'm just going to continue to work it, work it, work it. Then I'm going to close the guard one more time. Using the corner of the blades to make sure the two guidelines merge together smoothly. I still have the guard in the closed position. I open it a little bit, about halfway. Boom. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. All right, I'm gonna remove, I do that from time to time. I remove the 1/16 guard and I use just a couple of teeth in the corners to knock off minor little flaws in the haircut. Only I can see them. Okay. Well, all right, YouTube. This haircut is coming to an end. That was fast. I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up the C cup a bit. Walk around the haircut to look for any minor flaws. Touch it up a bit, and then we're gonna go home. This is my haircut, last haircut of the day actually, and we got a big day ahead of us tomorrow. So we gotta go home, eat dinner, and spend time with our wives. Tico cuts, you don't have a wife yet. I recommend you get one, and go back at it again tomorrow. Shout out to Tico Cuts. Early congratulations. He's getting ready to complete the 1,500-hour barber program at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. Congratulations. We came a long way a year ago. His barber career, he's on the way. Got started. The future is looking so bright. And I'm excited. All right, YouTube. This is the cut. I'm going to walk around the cut a bit, look for little flaws. Touch up here, touch up there. Then we're going to do a quick span. Then we're going to, no, it's not even Wednesday. We're not going to Baker Square tonight. No, it's not even Wednesday. This is my man, Free Pie Wednesday. That's his nickname around here. It's a long story how he get this name. Free Pie Wednesday at Baker Square in Gurnee, Illinois. The viewers probably don't know anything about that. It's okay. All right, I'm gonna go over the top just a bit. Just move the top out a little bit. Then we're gonna do a quick span. After that, we're gonna wrap this up. By the way, there's a lot of improvement on the way with this Barber Illuminati channel. I'm gonna make a lot of changes. Sometime soon, the videos will be edited so I can have much glossier, fresher videos. I'm gonna be taking things to the next level. As you can see, I'm giving you guys more of a variety. I'm gonna be doing all detachable blade haircuts, adjustable blade haircuts. I'm gonna be using the Wall Senior regularly, the Magic Clip regularly, the Andes Master regularly, and whatever other clippers that I may see fit regularly. Of course, the channel is an all detachable blade channel. That's not gonna change. The majority of the video is gonna be all detachable blades. However, I have to evolve. I have to give the people more of a variety in order to make the channel a little bit more interesting. That's all. Yes, some of you guys are protesting against the change. The change is inevitable. Change, always expect change, trust me. Whether you like it or not, change will soon knock on your door. Alright YouTube, this is the cut. Now the only thing I owe you is a quick spin. I'm gonna move back the camera a bit. We're gonna do a quick spin and we're gonna get out of here. This is the cut. Alright YouTube, I'm gonna show you guys the entire work. Oh my God, look at this, wow. The Barber Illuminati is not messing around anymore. Wow, wow, look at this. This is the entire work. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. About 68% of you guys that watch my videos regularly do not subscribe. I don't know why, but I'm gonna keep recording until you all subscribe. Barber Illuminati. Alright YouTube, this is a cut. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.